Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable call forwarding or activate call forwarding on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. By default, turn off this feature on your device. If you want to transfer your phone call to another number or a new number, you can use this call forwarding feature on your device or call transfer feature on your device. Let's see how it works in the different condition on your device. So first of all, open the phone app on your device. Tap on three horizontal line at the top left corner. Tap on the settings. Now scroll down until calling accounts. Tap on the calling accounts. Now tap on your network name. So here we use Jio, so we tap on it. Now you can find the call forwarding option here. In the call forwarding, you can see the four different condition when you want to transfer your phone call to another number. Like tap on the call forwarding. Now it will, here you can see the four option: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, when unreachable. So let's see how it works. Tap on always forward. It means whenever someone calling you, it will automatically forward to this number you want to enter on your device. Like we enter this number, so it will automatically convert all my phone calls to this number on my phone. Also, you can select the contact from your contact list also. After enter the number, tap on the turn on button to activate the call forwarding on your device. Second option, when busy. So and he enter the number whenever someone call you and you can speaking or you can call with the other person, it will automatically transfer your phone call to this number. So it means whenever you are busy, it will automatically transfer your phone call to this number. Third option is the when unanswered. It means when you unanswer your phone call, so it will automatically convert your phone call to this number. Whenever you unanswer your phone call, means you can't pick up your phone, it will automatically unanswer, go to these settings on your device. And the last one is the when unreachable. So whenever if your service or if your phone tower is out of storage, means out of service, your network is very low, poor, it will automatically transfer to this number on your device. So if you have any outside country or you can't reach your network, it will use this when unreachable option. So this is the all four settings you can use as a call forwarding on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device to forward or transfer the phone call from one mobile number to another number. So this is the all settings. Just enable it or turn on it on your device to forward the calls on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. Thank you for watching this. Please like it, share it.